Hello, hello. We're starting another stream. So, yeah, what are we gonna do today? Let me see. So yeah, yesterday I was working on the master AI. And yeah, we did a bunch of changes, like a lot of changes, to actually implement the harvesting monsters. And I need to commit those changes. I forgot to do that. And to do that, I need first the Powder Toolkit. So let's do that. This is okay, this is okay. So this is context-based behavior tree tasks improved. Or compatibility improvements. Now we can push. Next is builder. So wait, first is this thing. For weapon requirements. Support for NPC types. Types of candidates in the weapon requirements. Yeah. Next is the context factory, right? Yeah, let's do the context factory. Okay, what do we have here? Yeah, let's separate this one. So first, let's commit this context factory support. Yeah, this should be good. Now we can do that, which is spawner API improvements. Spawner not compatibility, extensibility improvements. And then this check target type. Now we can push. And now Ymirheim server. So what do we have here? We renamed the test AI. So I just want to make sure that we have it only in a single place. Yeah, right now we don't have it at all, which is good. So yeah, now it's moved. And yeah, let's do all the other improvements, I guess. This one big thing. So I wanted to mark this one as something that needs improvement. Where was that? Use target structure scale. Something like that. Factor this along with use learn skill. Okay. Also wait, this one, find her structure. Where was it? Here it is. I wanted to actually make it find the closest one. So maybe I'm gonna do that. But we'll see. Probably let me add another to do as well. Find the closest candidate. So yeah, should be something like that. Then we have this harassed behavior. It's totally fine. Harassed runaway state. This is fine as well. And we moved the default NPC AI, default structure AI. We created this harvester NPC AI. We moved this test AI. Checker successful. And special context. It's factory. Okay. So this is gonna be harvester NPC AI. another AI improvements. Okay. Let's push that. Now here, yeah, I don't have AI type specified. Let me have only two specific AI types assigned to the NPCs. So they use the default ones. Can we somehow configure which one they're gonna use? So where is it used now? Here. Oh, this is default AI factory. So this is actually easy for me to wait, what is this? Ah, I see. So yeah, this is easy for me to overwrite. Let's actually do that while don't forget about it. So I don't forget about it. So in the AI, I'm gonna create default AI factory. And this is gonna be basically a copy of this thing. Now this should be our Ymirheim version. Yeah, this one as well. Okay. Now we register this in the same way as this one is registered. So this should be triad singleton. And let's do the same here. Entity module. And this default AI factor is this one. Okay. Yeah, so this should be fine. Now let's check that it's actually being used. So if we go to this factory that we created and go to the default NPC AI, let's try and remove the combat state and see if the normal monsters are gonna react to that. So they shouldn't enter combat anymore. Looks like that didn't work. Oh wait, I know why. Or no, wait. Yeah, something's wrong. Let me see. So, is this factory getting cold or not? And let me also put a breakpoint right here. Yeah, it's this one still being called. Why? Ah, I know. Because I need to remove the old service here. Remove all of this. Now let's put another breakpoint. I already have it, okay. So now this one is getting cold, okay. No, this is running 𝙽𝚁𝙸𝚂. And yeah, now the monster doesn't react to anything. Okay, so this works. And let's double check if I get rid of that. It should be the same. Yeah, it works. Now let's bring back this one and see, do we have to commit something more than that? No, probably. Yeah, now we can use our custom types. Let's double check that this is actually working. That I didn't break anything. Okay. Let's see if these ones work. Yep, looks like all good. All right. So this is done. So what's next? So I wanted to try and assign like the closest hero structure. So it's this one, find hero structure. So what I can do is, instead of using the list, I can use dictionary. Oh wait, I need to use the list, but I can do tuple of this and float. This is gonna be our distance. Then here I can do this owner, this context owner. Get component, petal component, but not this one, but this one. Distance, wait. How do I calculate the distance then in like a proper way? Let's check. I'm pretty sure I'm doing this already somewhere here. Conditions. Yeah, it's like a normal vector 3 distance, but okay. Yeah, let's do that. Let's use system numerics, but not spawn info, but this context owner entity transform position. So this is the distance. Now we do tuple create entity distance. Now here, instead of doing the first or default, we can gonna sort oh my god, it's this link stuff. How do I implement a proper comparer without actually creating the comparer class? Don't want to do that. I think I tried to do that, but weird. Okay, let's try. So sort So this thing should return A item 2. Yeah, this is our distance compared to B item 2. Now oh yeah, I see. So we should call this separately because it modifies the collection, it doesn't. Yeah, like that. So this should be a tuple item 1. Okay. So this should be fine. Now, how do we test this? Okay, what's going on? Why is he running around? Did they break something? I don't know what they broke. Now it's in. Oh. Okay, what's going on? Why doesn't he want to despawn? What? What did they broke? This is something really weird. All I did is I changed the default AI type. What's going on? So this is not a problem. This one actually works. Something else broke. What's going on? this pawn stopped working for some reason. What? It calls this pawn 24 times. And nothing. Oh wait, I see. Yeah, this is something I actually did off stream. I wanted to add another function to this, another option, so you can specify the time for this pawn that you want to override. So theoretically, he should this pawn, but it's gonna be with the default this pawn interval. And in the meantime, he's just gonna run around. Okay. Let's revert the revert. And this pawn thing here. So it should be like that. So this pawn immediately. So now this should work fine. Yeah. Great. So the problem was, after I finished this stream, I realized that I want to have this function a little bit more like robust, more generic, and make it accept an additional parameter, like how fast you want to despawn the NPC. So yeah, problem is I forgot to actually specify that I want to despawn it immediately. So now this should work, and yeah, now also he should find the closest harvest point to him, to his position. So to test this, let's open up the editor and place some more mushrooms. So let's import the spawns. Okay. Now let's duplicate, place it somewhere there. Another one right here. Another one here. Let's move this one here. Export, save, exit. Now let's see. We have pretty wide spawn area for him. Okay, that was weird, but it's fine. Probably he just spawned somewhere there. So, now let's wait. Now he basically should run to the to the closest spawn point that he can see. Oh wait, I didn't notice him. It's okay. So let's watch him closely now. Okay, this is weird. This is not working. He should have run to this one. Is it just inverted and he runs to the farthest one? Because that may be the reason. Like if we switch B and A. Or does it just not work? Okay, I'm not sure if this one was the closest one for him. Let's Let's take a look at the next spawn. Okay, this one probably was the closest one. Okay. Actually seems accurate. Yeah, I'm not sure. He started somewhere here, right? So it doesn't really look like that one is the closest, but yeah, I don't know. But don't he ever prioritized this one over this one? So this is already good. Let's watch a little bit more. Okay, never mind. Weird. What am I doing wrong? Or was the previous version correct? Let's see. Maybe that was just a visual bug. Because right now it was definitely wrong. He prioritized the one that was further away. Okay, now it was that one was closer to his spawn point. Let's see. I can place like two more, like one right there, another one somewhere there, or somewhere here, and see what he prioritizes. I think that would be the easiest way. So let's duplicate this and put it somewhere here. And this one, let's move a little bit to this side. And then another one here. Yeah, let's not move them very far away from each other, just enough to actually see the difference. Like that. Is there? Yeah. Okay, so let's see now. Let's export this. Compile. Restart. Okay. Let's see if that works. Okay, this seems accurate. He spawned somewhere there. And run to this one because this one was not spawned yet. So let's see what he's gonna do next. Yeah, something is definitely wrong. What can be wrong? So this entity is the neighbors. Weird. No, it's not the right line. Let's just debug and see. And my client crashed. Okay. So we have first one, distance is 3100. Oh, okay. After the first one, I have this break. Okay, this is the problem. So now it should work. But let's still debug and see. Okay. So first, yeah, let's move the breakpoint lower. So this is 40, 24, 27, 31, 21. Oh, and I forgot to check this. So I need a breakpoint before this. For this. And then here. So which one did you check? This one, probably. Okay. Let's wait for the next spawn. Okay. So we have 35, 40, 1000. So candidates like that. So after the sort, it should be like 1000 at the top. Yeah. Yeah, now it's sorted. And now the chosen target is 1000. Okay, good. So here on to that one. Let's check next. So I don't need that. So now we have this thing. Now it's sorted. And the chosen one is 1400. Yes. So now this is correct. Let's watch for a little bit. Also, I wanted to add a limiting range to this find function. Let's do that, but yeah, first let's see. So this seems correct. This should be working. So we need something like max range. Something like that. So if distance more than this max range, then we continue. Otherwise we add it to the candidates. Now here, yeah, let's do max range. What would be by default 30k? I think 30k would be fine. Yeah. Sedukit, yeah, it is tiny because this is a 1440p monitor captured as 1080p and then probably even lowered on your side, like you're probably not running this in full screen, so yeah, sorry about that. Maybe I can increase the cut size a little bit. Now it's harder to read for me. Well, let's see, maybe this one is fine. So let's check now how this works. Okay, is this font easier to read for you now? Or is it still tiny? For me, it's gigantic now. Okay, so okay, let's wait for the monster to spawn. Okay. Yeah, that's a problem. The server is fine, running pretty stable. It's just right now I'm working on a small event that I want to do. Well, actually not the event itself at the moment, but the features that I wanted to implement for it. Hi, welcome back. Okay, so this seems to be working fine, I think. He actually chooses the closest target now, which is great. Yeah, it's just the spawn looks a little bit silly because yeah, the monster never stops. So once it's gone to its desired point, the client just continues him to run somewhere where it pleases. And then after a second or something, it despawns. Yeah, now it looks actually good. He actually runs to the closest harvest points. Well, it sounds familiar because it's like a waltz, or how do you pronounce it? Like, there are a lot of music like that created in like not medieval times, but yeah, a long time ago. Now, can I improve somehow this despawning thing? So what do we have here? Set random target position from spawn point. Instead of this, I probably can... No, this is actually fine. Now move to target position do I have a range here? Like target range? No, no. Like one thing that I can improve is make him actually walk to some specific target, but start the spawn on him before he reaches that target. So to do that, I can probably use check target target position and range, or how is it called? Yeah, check target position and range. So something like, wait. Forgot how it's called. It's the opposite thing to the sequence. What was that? Selector. Here we go. And yeah, looks like Rider changes the font size only for the current file. Okay, so she did do that in the settings somewhere. Editor, font size 14. Wait, let me check. This is 14. This is 16. Let's try 16. And nothing happens. What's going on? Font and color scheme. Okay. Why do you need to define font size and the color scheme? And it still doesn't work. Oh, okay. It remembered my font position at like zoom size. Yeah, now all the files are like that. So now here I wanted to add new, not sequence, but a selector. Here we go. So it should be new check target position in range, and the range would be 200. Oh my god, keyboard, cooperate please. And new despawn of time span 0. Let me actually do this by default. No, the default one is okay. So now this is basically OR. So yeah, I need an inverter here. So this means set random target position from spawn point, then if not in range of 200, or despawn, then we move. I think this is correct. This whole behavior tree logic is a little bit mind-breaking. Padarian, welcome to the stream. Yeah, I'm working on Ragnarok Online 2, which was never released completely. It was only in the open beta stage. So this still doesn't look right. Let's set it to 500. I don't know. Yeah, like most of the people who know something about Ragnarok Online 2 were actually players of Ragnarok Online 1. Okay, what's wrong now? So this happens after the despawn, actually. Move to position. I'm not sure how to solve this. I'm gonna save this error. And look how we can improve it later. This is basically a race condition. It still runs weird. What's going on? Very weird. Okay, so what else I can do is I can switch to not the highest but high priority here. So if this one fails, then this one executes, right? Right. This is not in the position. Wait. Yeah, not in position fails when the target is in position. So yeah, this should be correct. Just probably it's a too low priority for him to execute this in time. Let's see. Now the chatbot. Oh, this is fine. It looks like the chatbot announced the same message 2 times, but no, the first one was actually prompted. So this is fine. Where is the duck? The duck is gone already. Okay. Gotta love is playing with the emote tool. Do you like it? Okay, so here we have. Wait, what's going on? What was that? Did they just not noticed him in time? Something weird is going on. So this whole sequence is being executed only when the harvest is successful. This should be correct. Okay, let's see. This is still very weird. Okay, what if we change it to 1000? Will we see any difference? I thought that this happens because the monster reaches the target point, the one that the server tells the client. What? Okay, if we remove this despawn, what's gonna happen then? Something very weird is happening. Here is the dog. What? What? What was that? Okay, something definitely weird going on. I just don't understand how that is possible. What? Let's see. What the hell? So, okay, if this one finishes successfully, then it goes back to the top, right? So this is the only way how this thing can change the direction. When this is done, then we start again. But why didn't this work? Did I made a mistake here? I'm pretty sure this shouldn't be like that. Let me read. So, executes children one by one until at least one returns success. So if this returns success, then we skip this one. It was correct. I just have no idea. Maybe the despawn timer, like the update time for that is too long. So we send the request to the spawn entity, but then it takes too long for it to process, and in the meantime he's just running around. This is probably what's happening. Or not. Or the dog. Okay, let's see one more time. Also, it can happen randomly, yeah, because, for example, this time it could be that the despawn timer actually ticked right after we requested the despawn. So let's see what's happening now. Hey. I don't know. I think it just executes it right away because I need the inverter here. I'm pretty sure about that. So he basically despawns immediately when he starts running back home. So let's check that ADM. I wish I remembered where the despawn timers are configured. Not here. I think it's on the zone level. So we add the spawners to the zone, right? Or no? Where is that? Let me see. So where is the table? Data table. Spawn table. Where is it? Used here. So this is, yeah, it's in the zone. So when the zone is being created from the template, then we create all the spawns. We register the spawner manager, and this is a zone instance component. So probably I need to increase zone instance timer. Yeah, right now it runs once every second. Let's make it run 10 times per second. Where is the tag? Here is the tag. What's going on? It never requested a despawn. It's exceeded the check 9 times. basically it changed the position 9 times. It checked the position 9 times. Ah, I see. So for that I need to re-evaluate in sequence to make it work. Let me see, I already did this implementation for chase the target, I think. Yeah, this is the re-evaluating sequence, but this one is only to reset the target position each time. Now, after that, yeah, we have another re-evaluating sequence. Yeah, I need something like that. So I don't need the first one, but I need something like this. That would have this condition. But no, wait. If not casting and not in range, then we move, yeah. If not in range, let's bring it back to, no, let's leave it like that. Then we move. Otherwise we despawn. And after the despawn we idle. So we don't go back to the first step. And I don't need this high priority, but technically it's fine, it will be more reliable that way. Let's see now. Okay. What? I don't even... What's going on? That's some nice moves. Okay, Doug. Let's see what can we run. I have no idea. And he's still going sideways. Okay, let's try AI debug. What do I have? So this thing, wait, tells you, oh no, this is fine. The return state never ran. Actually, it failed. Harvest is running. Weird. So it never requested the despawn. I have no idea. Yeah, so this one is running. So this one fails all the time. Looks like he just never gets to the point where he reached the target. But why? Wait, reevaluate in sequence. It should be reevaluating selector, right? But reverted here. So inverted, I mean, not inverted. So this selector will check if it's in range. If it is in range, then we go, then we continue. If it's not, then we move, right? And when it finishes, like when it returns success, then we despawn an idle. Maybe that's the problem. Let's see. Where is he? Here. Okay, but there was still some stuff going on. Like he tried to move to the right. Let's see. Here he is. Okay, this is better. Okay, so this looks like it works right now. Can I decrease to 200? What would happen then? Oh, I forgot to log out. Okay. Yes, sir. Please use English on this stream if you can. Where is the dog? Okay, here is the dog. Let's see. This was a little bit weird. Like he moved a little bit to the side. I'm not sure if like this is important, but yeah, I'm trying to implement few features that I need for the next small event that I want to do in the game. Right now I'm trying to make this NPC to despawn before it actually gets like laggy a little bit. Yeah, so this was good. Here is the next one. Let's see. Okay, so this actually looks good now. Let's check a little bit more. I don't trust it. Here he is. Okay. This actually looks good. So what do we do here? Let me double check. So this runs only when Harrods is successful. Update the priority. Then we set random target position from spawn point. Then we check if the target position is in range. Wait, let me look at another despawn. Okay, looks perfect. So if it's in the range of 200, then we skip this. If it's not in range, then we move to target position. and when this returns a success, so all of those return success, then we despawn and temporarily switch to idle. So we don't like start from the beginning again. Okay. Actually looks perfect now. So now we despawn him when he gets in range of 200 around the target position. This prevents the client rendering him in a janky way. So now let's try and revert this update time fix that they did. What would happen then? The client decided to crash. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? Oh, he's gone. He harvested this thing and now he's gone. Okay, let's wait. Here we go. So the problem is his speed is definitely more than 200 per second. So now, yeah, now we have that janky movement again. Because the despawn can be delayed up to 1 second. So yeah, I would have to actually change this update interval to 100 milliseconds. Let's see, what are we doing on the performance side right now? 3% or something like that. Yeah. So if I bring that thing back, one question is, why doesn't it stop at the final point before it despawns? Well, right now this looks fine. But yeah, this is basically because of this delay. So why doesn't it stop? Because when we interrupt this thing, it should actually notify that the entity stops. But probably we're not interrupting it. Yeah, I think that is the problem. So here we have basically two problems. One is the despawn timer ticks once per second. And the other problem is the NPC doesn't stop when he reaches the final point. Can we somehow stop him manually, or interrupt this call. Yeah, this never gets interrupted. I can check that actually. So if I do like 10 seconds, we can actually see what's going on in the AI debugger. Okay, that wasn't lucky. Let's wait for another one. So I need to capture him in point in time where he changes the direction, after he changes the direction, and the despawn. Yeah. Well, this was weird. Why is he running around? So let's see. Return. Yeah, this is running. And we despawned twice. And we entered idle twice. What the hell? I don't understand. So this never exits. This is why he's running around on the client side. But why does he change the position? Why doesn't he get stuck in the idle state? Oh, this is success. Ah. I was assuming this produces the running state. There was something that actually does that. Wait, here we go. No. Wait some time. Well, that could work. Like wait time span max value. This will get him stuck right here. I forgot to exit. Okay. What was that? Okay. Let's wait for 1 hour. Okay, now he stops. So he does stop at the end, so this is good. Now let's inspect him when he stops. Because I think that the move to the target position action is still running at that point. Actually, I need to inspect him in 2 ways. So let's see. Here, we're stuck in the waiting. And oh, this is failure. Okay, so this is great. So this does finish. It's just we were running this cycle multiple times. This is why he was running around. So okay, this is good. Now he actually stops. Oh, and I wanted to see his actual state when he stops. Okay, he stands. So this is actually going better than I expected. Now what? Now I wanted to change his update priority to lowest, so we don't waste resources on this thing. And then I need that, I need that. And then let's bring back the delay to 1 second. But the problem is we still despawning him after he stops. Hey. Yeah, let's bring back the delay again to 10 seconds and see. Because my idea was to despawn him once he reaches this range, but let him to run still. Let's see, I think I can do that. Just it's a little bit tricky. But at least I found the problem. Yeah, now he's standing here. So how can I do that? So when target position is in range, this succeeds, then we interrupt the movement. Instead, so I want this action to run indefinitely until it actually finishes. But this check should define when we call the despawn action. Like we should call the despawn action when the NPC reaches this range, but he should still continue running when after we call this despawn. So first let's copy this. Let's copy all of this and comment it out so I can look into that when I'm changing this stuff. So let's remove that, and this will be new selector. Another re-evaluating selector, right? Of this thing and despawn time span 0. So what is this gonna do then? I need an inverter here. So this is gonna be checking every tick, every update. When the target position is in range, then we call that. No, wait. So this thing fails when killer one by one until at least one returns success. So if this fails, then this gets executed. If this succeeds, then we just return success. This should be sequence without an inverter. So now, if this succeeds, then we despawn and return success. Which interrupts this. So if this fails, we execute this. I can do inverter here. So if this fails, then we return from this. This is gonna be false. Then we execute this. If this succeeds, then we execute this, which will be despawn, that will execute success, but this one will invert it and execute return failure. So the whole thing will return failure. Come on. And then this will continue to execute. But the despawn will be called multiple times. I don't like that. Well, let's see what happens. Maybe I'm not right and it's not gonna be executed. What is the current update time? 10 seconds, okay. So what I can do is I can change this to 500, I can change this back to 1 second and see how the dog behaves after that. If it works right, then he should continue to run for 500 units after we requested the despawn. But what else I want to do is to check if we call the despawn multiple times. Okay, this looks good. Let's wait for another spawn. Okay, actually looks good. Now, if we set the update priority, wait, if we remove that and remove that and increase back to 10 seconds, let's see how many times we actually call the despawn function. Do we call it like multiple times per second or only once? Guess I need it to be called only once, but I guess that's not a big deal. I do that multiple times. Here's the dog. Didn't make it in time. Okay, so yeah, we called this pawn 13 times. So how can we limit this? How can we run it only once? What does the repeater do? No, it's not what I want. Actually, no. I'm not sure. How can I do that? It's not a big deal to call the this pawn multiple times. It will just put the same record into the queue. There's nothing wrong with that, but I still don't like it. I would like it to be called only once. Can create some kind of decorator that would like call once and then skip any subsequent calls. That would be nice, I guess. But I would like to actually do that with the existing tools somehow. Yeah, I don't think I can. Unless I introduce another variable on the context. I don't want to do that. So let's see. Do I have some decorators here? No. Only these ones. So this repeater is weird. No, it's not weird. And yeah, technically that would be bad to implement a decorator like that. Because yeah, in this case, this is the final state of the AI. Nothing will happen after that. But normally, if I would use this run once decorator that I was going to create, then it would actually cause some problems. It's not very obvious how it works. It wouldn't reset when like a state resets. So I think I will leave it like that, actually, and let it run 𝙽𝙴𝚁 multiple times. I can actually implement it here. 𝙽𝙴𝚁 will always be called just once, because once we 𝙽𝙴 the entry, the new AI will be called. So I can actually do that, like another variable, like run once, which would be true by default. And let's add it here as well. Actually, let's do it like that. No. Let's do it like that. And then I need a private property. And it will return success. Yeah, this one will be better. Okay, let's see. I actually forgot that I was muted. Nice. So looks like now everything is fixed. The monster gets despawned properly before he actually reaches the runaway point. It actually looks good now. So yeah, I guess now this is solved. Let's push that now. Nothing here, nothing here. Let's actually build this first. Yeah, now it actually looks good. So build is successful. Let's see. Yeah, we added run once option to the despawn action. We added the range to the find harvest structure. We added the sorting. And we changed this in a way that he actually properly runs away and doesn't run around. Let's see one more time. Where is he? Come on. Okay. Yeah, now this actually looks good. It looks like he's actually running away, not getting stuck or something. So let's commit this. Okay, this is good. Now I wanted to do a small bug fix while I still remember about it. So we have this card. 1 second, where was it? Let me find it first. So yeah, we have C Fletcher card, which gives incorrect bonus. Where is it? Item prototypes. Here. Melee defense penetration, and this is ranged. So this should be the same, it's just the weapon type is different. Yeah, So the C-flat card should actually give melee defense penetration, not range defense penetration. Now let's check this skill. So it's this AD. Yeah, this is melee defense penetration. Should be. Yeah, this is range, it should be melee. Now the same should be for the addition. Yeah, let's fix that as well. And fix the function itself. It should be melee defense penetration. Yep. So this should be fixed now. Now I do have. This was a test, I can remove that. And by the way, let's close this for now. Can you remove this? Can you remove this? Wait. No, I don't want to remove that for now. Let's leave it like that for now. I'm just not gonna commit it to the repository. So this is bug fix. Come on, what's wrong? So I can stage that, but I can't stage that. Okay, let's commit this then. So this is harvesting skill, not cooldown, casting time fix. Yeah. Now this card bug fix. Here, melee, range change to melee, range change to melee, range change to melee. And then the additions will have different function. Yeah. So this is fine. Now we only have these test spawns, prototype changes. Okay. Now next thing. Let's update the title, by the way. I need a couple of fixes for the quest system. So first one is I want to limit certain quests to specific in-game days of week. So here we have the quests. We have the limit for the game time. We need another limitation. So I need something like availability, game time, day, day of week. Or just game, day of week. No. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Now, I wanted to add a comment. So I don't forget. I'm pretty sure 0 is Sunday. And this would become a separated. Something like that. Now let's take the files then. Like that. And see, do we have the changes? Quests. Yeah, we have new fields. This is empty. Okay. Perfect. Now I can put it back into the database. Yeah, now we have this field. So which quest do we check? Well, actually, let's first implement this. Yeah, peace of mind is very nice. It's very useful. Well, the mana is gonna be, without the skill, the mana is gonna be regenerating like 2 times slower, probably. Depends on how much int you have, and what is your level. And what level of your peace of mind skill was. But yeah, it will be slower. So we can close the AI stuff, close this, and that. So now to the quests. So I need something like this. So this is gonna be public. Oh my god. Day of week. Yeah, system day of week. Where it's gonna be an array. Or enumerable. Or a list. Let's do this. A list of day of week. And how the column is called? Something like that. Well, you don't need a lot of mana for Berserker. You can just use your auto attacks. So it's not like you desperately need mana. You can just fight stuff without mana or with minimal mana consumption. But Priest is also nice, yeah. By the way, I have a mistake in this text of the bot announcement. Let me fix that real quick while I remember that. Stream elements, dashboard. Okay, saved. All right. So this should be fine. Now, where do we assign it? In the quest table, right? Yeah. So now I get this column again. So this should be yeah, there will be like a lot of equipment items and some other skills that will let you increase or restore mana. Well, even right now you have your Rod of Rock card, which gives you 80 mana. It will probably give a little bit more later. I'm not sure. We'll see. So this thing, 1 second. I had something already. 𝙽𝙴𝚁𝙀. Yeah, it's that. So separators. Yeah. Now cast. No. Wait. How was that done? So it should be byte parse value. What's wrong? Wait, what am I doing? It's not cast, it's I wish I remembered. Oh, it's select. So now this is enumerable of bytes, right? Now we convert it to day of week. Okay, good to hear that. Yeah, well, still, I still need to change a lot of stuff regarding the classes. But the most important thing is I need to change the monsters a lot. So they're gonna behave in a different way. And once I've done that, I would have to change how the classes work. So they actually feel good against those new monsters. So yeah, there is still a lot of work to do. But yeah, for now, I'm just trying to fix everything critical and yeah, implement some new content, at least a little bit. So yeah, something like that. We have comma-separated string that will contain numbers which represent days of week. Yeah. Now what? Now here. Yeah, Chin-chan is gonna answer a strike. That would be a nice addition. So have this thing. I need another condition here. So where quest set quest availability time day of week counts more than 0. No, equals 0 or game time day. Wait, what is this day? This is not standard day of week. Okay, day of week. So wait, let me double check. Day of week, yeah. Or day of week. No. It should be like that. So, availability game time of week equals count equals 0, which means we don't have any limits, or current day of week is in this array or list. Yeah, that should be enough, I hope. So now let's test this. How should we test this? Let's use some quests. What is this one? Lunch delivery. Yeah. So let's for now remove this and add what is the current day of week. Monday. Okay. So if we do 1, 2, 3, or 1, 3, Monday and Wednesday. Also, let's remove this thing and this thing, so we can test a second quest. Experts. Restart the server. What? Cannot serialize? Why doesn't it to be serialized? Because it's an interface. Well, okay. Well, crap. Yeah, I need this thing to be serializable. I hate serialization in C# or in .NET. It's so janky. So array empty of this. All right. So this is length, not count. And then this is to array. Heh. So now we should see two quests, at least two of them. Lunch delivery and what was the next one? Hey. This is Monday. So mail, logistics and lunch delivery should be available. That's wrong. Okay. So this is quest 82. Oh, which ones do I need? 13 and 14. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 13. So this is empty. Okay. So it leaves the previous value, which is correct, from 0. This is empty as well. 23, 59, 59. Then this 1 and 3. So Monday and Wednesday. Oh wait, level. What level am I? Okay. Then this one is 14. Also no availability. And this is skipped. Okay. So the initial values are correct. Let me stop this instance and start it here. So weird. Let's check that. So attached process on server. Level 31. So everything should be okay. Now this is 0. Current day of week Monday. This is for any. This is for any. Weird. Okay, let's check again. This quest is 12. I need 13 and 14. So here we have 14. Why did we skip the 13 one? But okay, 14. This should actually let me get it. So this is 0. Good. Head debugging link stuff. So this is also 14. Yes. So this condition passed. So this also should pass. Let me see. What? So we have a bunch of quests. We have the quest number 14. Right? Quest number 14 is mail logistics. Ah, okay, I see. Cats overridden. And the quest number 13 is probably not visible because I don't have the quest number 12. Is that correct? Quest completed. Character. Yeah, for some reason I don't have it. Which is weird. Let's go and complete it. Oh wait, I'm in the debug mode. Clean up a little bit. Targeting is still a thing of the past. You can see nearby evidence properly on first. Yeah, I think I know what you mean. Yeah, I know that when you press tab, it doesn't like properly cycle through the enemies. It does it sometimes, but sometimes not. I just didn't have enough time yet to investigate what's wrong there. But yeah, I know, it's a little bit annoying. And yeah, when you loot corpses, yeah, when two mobs died on top of each other, it's really hard to select the one that you want. I'm not sure how to fix that, to be honest. I had an idea to implement something like in Final Fantasy XIV, when you have multiple targets, like multiple monsters are attacking you, you have a list of those enemies on your screen, like literal small list of enemies. So maybe we can do something like that and make that targets to appear there as well. So you can select the one that you need, and yeah, execute the loot action. I'm not sure. Okay, now we have this last delivery request. So this is Monday now. And let's see if we can change this to, let me close this, change this to like Tuesday and Wednesday, and see if the quest is gone. Okay, so the quest is gone now. Let's see if it's gone because of a proper reason. So this is quest number 12. I don't care about it. No, this is 13. Okay. This is 13, and now we have Tuesday and Wednesday. So the length is 2. We have Tuesday and Wednesday here, and current day of week is Monday. Oh my god, how am I supposed to debug this link stuff? And it's not even showing me what was the return value. So bad. Okay. But I think now it works as expected. I mean, it was working as expected even before, it's just I didn't have the quest number 12. It was required. So yeah, I think this is fine now. If I change it back to Monday and Wednesday, or let's check Monday alone. If it's a corpse that couldn't steal an item. I'm not sure what you mean. So yeah, now this quest is marked to be available only on Monday. And now, yeah, I can see it. So yeah, this is working fine. Let's revert this. Oh god, I don't remember the values that were there. I would have to actually revert this in the version control. So yeah, let's revert this whole file. And then regenerate it. Oh god, I can't. Or I guess I could do this. Yeah, okay. So this works now. Do you mean like if there is something in the corpse? Wait, what's wrong now? Oh, I know, I didn't generate the new file structure. So, do you mean if there is something in the master corpse, then we somehow mark it? Yeah, I was thinking about that, but again, I don't know. I don't know how to properly do that. Yeah, now we just added another field, and this field is empty for each quest. Great. Now let's start. Okay. So looks like all good now. So now I can commit this and that. Do I have the comment here? Yeah. Comma separated, 0 is Sunday. Okay. So something like that. Availability game time day of week. Option added to the quest table. This property name is weird, but okay, that's fine. I don't know how to name it better so it's obvious what it is. Right now it is obvious. It's okay. Everything else is just pass and changes in the test master. Okay. Let's commit this. So this is done. What else did I need? All right, there is one problem. Like here are basically two quests in a single group, gathering the mail and mail logistics. They're available in the same time slots, but you can only pick one in each day. So if I accept this quest, I can see now this mail logistics quest. And if I try to accept it, can I really do that? No. Quest is not available anymore. Okay. So this is a problem. So there's two quests in a single group. The problem is I can see this quest available from the same group, the next quest from the same group, while I have the other quest, gathering the mail. This should not happen. So we try to do that. The quest abandoned, accept, quest is not available anymore. Now I can see. So yeah, what I need to do is once I get this quest, I shouldn't see any available quests within the same group anymore. Should be fixed, should be able to be fixed easily, but I'm not sure. Here, active quest contains key, this one. What is this? This concurrent dictionary. Active quests. What I can do is, where is that condition? Can do this and replace this thing. Yeah, this array will be small, so I don't need any optimization really here. So contains what? No, not contains, but any. Like if there are any quests. I guess. Okay, well, first I need to check the group as well, then see if Rider suggests any other solution. So, if we have any quests with the same ID or quest group equals quest group so if active quests contain quests with the same ID or the same group as this one, then we ignore it. Would that work? Yeah, I guess I can just use this because I'm never using it in other places. Let's see. Okay, no quests anymore. And if I abandon this one, can see gather in the mail. I accept, yeah. No more quests. Great. Okay, this is fixed now. Oh, and I forgot to commit the previous change, the new feature. Let's do that first. So, well, actually I can first commit this, say a small bug fix. So, requests, availability, I can't type and talk at the same moment. Request availability, bug fix. Remove quests with the same group ID from the available list. Wait. The same group ID. Yes. The active requests. I don't know. I can't enter English right now. And the second one, oh, let me actually build this first. Because there may be some styling issues. No, all good. Then so availability, yes. This is the quest table. This is the quest itself. Yes. Can push that now. And let's update the Ymirheim server along the way, because I forget to do that. Yep, Mr. Pit soundtrack. One of my favorites. Struggling really hard right now to avoid singing alone, but I know that I have a delay in my mic, so it's not gonna sound any good at all whatsoever. So this is done. Let's mark this bug fix as done. Where is it? Yes. And yeah, I think for now this should be enough. I have to finish a little bit early today. And tomorrow, if I can stream, I will, and we can actually implement some event quests, hopefully. Because we have almost everything ready for it. And I need to just experiment with some stuff. Maybe I would need something more to be implemented on the server side, but I think now we have basically everything that we need for the event. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow we can actually do some event quests, event logic. So let's find someone to raid. Oh, actually I think finally we have someone in software and game development category available. Hopefully she's not gonna end the stream soon, but okay, let's see. So yeah, let's raid Crazy. So thank you everyone for watching the stream. Hopefully tomorrow I will be back, if not the day after tomorrow for sure. And yeah, thank you everyone. Bye bye.